And now for a roundup of today's UK business news. 1 in 6 homes in England is in danger of flooding, and investment in flood defences will need to double to prevent erosion of our coastlines and flooding by rivers and seas. That's the warning from the Environment Agency, which spells out the dangers of not taking the risk of flooding seriously enough. It estimates the annual cost of damage to residential and commercial property from flooding in England could rise from £1 billion to £1.6 billion within 26 years. It says there should be more investment in building and maintaining the country's flood defences. The agency says home and business owners are becoming more proactive in countering the risk of flooding, but the challenge could be the future to design brand new flood-resistant homes.
There's several features about the house that we've designed to make it as flood-proof as possible. We've accepted that water is going to come into the house, but we've got this tough foundation that comes up above the ground to a metre, and this is made of concrete so that it'll dry out quickly after flooding, and also it could have sacrificial layers on top that people can throw away afterwards, but they're kind of cheap. The other thing we've done is that we've turned the house around, so we've got the living on the first floor and we've got sleeping on the ground floor, and when it floods we close off the ground floor completely. So we have a separate electricity system, for example, on the first floor, and that people can survive together on the first floor. We also have a walkway that then connects all the different community from a drawbridge that comes down at the front of the house so that people can stay in their house.
Well, that was Pippa Nissen from the architects Nissen Adams, one of the winners of a Royal Institute of British Architects competition to design housing for high flood risk areas.